welcome to DropCart Africa. We shall be giving you this tutorial on how to upload your product as a seller. As you can see, currently we are on a test seller dashboard. So endeavor that this four next step by the right, down right, uh, field to be toggled on. So let's rush into that and do that. The first one said add products. So we are not going to be adding products now. We're not going to be adding products. Rather, we want to ensure we clean up ensure that we toggle the four, what do they call it? The four system there. So now what we do now is, the next thing is complete business address. Now we're going to be adding address. Add your address of your company. So now you have some of your information already uploaded from the previous setting. So your business description, give your business description. Let's just say I am into technology. So now the next one is your address. Let's just say 123 Main Streets. Then you have address city. Now put city, let's say we are using JOS, JOS. Then the next one, let's say we are using the states now, we can say Plateau, PLE, sorry, double E is written, PLEA, 3U. I don't think I'm getting this correct. Plateau from Plateau State, yeah. Sorry. Plateau, I don't know. The correct spelling for Plateau. Plateau. Okay, yes. I think I should know now. Plateau. It should be TEAU. Yes. That should be the correct spelling. Yes. Plateau State. Then now, you go for your postal code. The postal code should not be something like this. Just insert the postal code there. Then you see the next thing you do, you come down to save changes. When you save the changes, it's gonna save automatically. You can see down here it says store information updated successfully. So now let's go back to dashboard. Click on dashboard here by the left, upper left. Click on dashboard. You can see that has been stroked out already with a tick. So now the next one is bank information. So you can see even the last one, the business description is also already ticked. So now let's say bank information. Now the bank information is just to enable you to get your payouts from the company. So now what we do is, let's just use a random account. Let's say bank name, we can say OPay, then account number, we can just say 91 915050 6805. Then account name, you can just say um main man. You can just full anything that you like, put it on there. Then these are optional. IBAN squad. Then currency is Nigeria, since if you are in Nigeria currently, let's save it. Now these informations are saved completely. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You can see the only thing we have now is products. So we're not going to be adding product from here. Rather, we go under the dashboard by the left, upper left. Click on add products. Then click on products, sorry. Then you come back to add products by the right, by the upper right. Then click on add products. Now when you click on add product, this interface is going to display add new products. Then there are a lot of things to do here, but I'm going to rush it so that we don't take much of our time. Now, the first thing we do, we're just going to be adding random something so that we will see how it works. Now, I'm adding image. I need to add an image where I just need to go to let's say I'm asked to add an image. I have an image already placed somewhere. So I think we should go for that. So I want to add the image. I have one image already selected. I have another two selected. I have the third, fourth, fifth images I have selected. You can select as many as you want. In as for that. Okay, I have the sixth one selected now. So now let's send it down and wait for it to load. While it's loading, other things can be done. You can see, wow, that has just finished uploading. Now, by the right hand side of this dashboard of this product uploading, you will see a preview, live preview, how your product is going to be displayed on the main app platform. Now we go down, we look for business name, sorry, product name. Now this the product name, I think was we have generated something before. Let's say let's just give a product name. You need to give that product a name. So let me rush and give a name to that product so that we can all see the product name. Now the product name we're going to be using, this is just a random stuff that we are doing. So we should understand that we're just doing something randomly. So that is important. Now we're gonna click in random. Okay, I've placed the name of the product. Look at the right, it has appeared by the right hand side. Now go down, it has also generates a category automatically. If you are not having the category of your product generated automatically, you can easily click on this particular create a category and request it. The admin will approve it for you. Then now let's go to description. Now, some people might not have the description for their products. Those kind of, let me say, entrepreneurs who buy products from places might not have good description for their product because their product might not be digital. So all they need to do with the help of DropCart Africa assistant agents. Now with this, we don't have any idea of description, and this is the column for the description below the keywords option. So now what we do, I'm gonna click, we're gonna insert the same name for this product here. So we insert the same name in the box of keywords. I've just done that. Now still look at the description. We don't have a description because we are just one of those random people who sells products out there. So what we're going to do is, but to make our product look good, we're going to generate a description using the AI. So click on generate description and wait for it. After some seconds, you can see the description has just been generated by the AI. Now you can see by the right hand side that description has appeared. So now the next thing now is to insert amounts. So all you need to do is to insert the amount of your product, how much you sell that particular product. So that is what we are going to do now. And later you can also inform the admin if your product is under promo and they are giving some discounts. So that can also feature in the live preview when the admin is approving your product. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing now is place the price of these products, and they ask how many do you have in stock. You can just tell us we have five, or depending on your number, in stock. So now you go down to how many days will it take you to deliver this product to our pickup place? Well, we'll pick it up, or maybe your store, or we have a specific pickup area. Okay, 1, 2, 3, depending on number of days. But for now, we're going to be using 3 days. So the reason for all this is to enable the buyer to know how long it's going to take to get these products. So now this time around, we'll be going down. You have another place that they say product options. Now the question is, does this product comes in different colors, sizes, model, etc? Yes, this are a particular product. Some product might have different colors, different sizes, different options. So in this at this junction, that is when this is coming to play out. So now toggle where you are seeing the mouse currently, toggle it on. So when you toggle it on, it's going to display the kind of thing you want to add. You can add different colors, sizes, model, storage, or custom. So custom mean what is not written already. So now let's go to color because the product we're currently advertising as colors. So now we have black in the product, we have red, then let's add we have blue, and we also have another one that is gold. That is we have yellow gold. Yes, something like that. I'll just say yes, yellow gold. Yes, we have something like that. Gold. All this can be edited later. So now we'll proceed now to, if you come down, you will see that all these has created variations. They've created variants for you. Now, in the variants, you'll be asked if this product is of the same prices. So, but in what we are doing currently, this product is not of same prices. They have different prices. So now what we do next is we shall be adding the prices. Now let's go to the black. The black has the initial price, and we upload the image for the black now. So let's upload image for black. You click on upload and come back down where you see upload the image. So now we shall be uploading the image of the black. I have it stored somewhere, and that is what I will be uploading now for us. So now the black is coming in. Excuse me. We have failure in network. So sorry, the national grid just went off. The system is trying to switch on to its stop. So in this process, if you're doing this and you have issue with power failure or something happened with your system, you don't need to bother. If you refresh this system, this information you've inserted, they are auto save. They've saved in this system. So all you just need to do is to continue. So at this junction, let's continue and see if this network has restored back to the system. Still not restored. Let's wait. Fail to upload. Let's wait for the network to restore to the system completely. So once it's restored, we can continue. So let's see what happened. Let's take upload that same picture and see if the network has been restored. Yes, it has been restored. You can see image uploaded. So this is just to tell you that you can wait for as long as you want. So now that image has been added to this place where you see my cursor. So now we're going to the next one, which is the red. So the amount for the red is different from the amounts from the black. So now what I want is, because I saved my red amounts with the image, so I clicked on upload and it brought me this interface to upload the image. So I will be going to where I store it, and where it's stored is 4425430. 425430. So I just added that image. Now all I need to do is to change the amount. So I can just say 4254.30. So that is just the amount. Then nothing has changed from here. So you need to do, what we need to do now is to continue to the next one. So the next one is blue, because we selected blue initially too. We have blue and gold left. So now let's go for blue and change the amount also. Now the first thing we do is to upload the image. Click upload. You'll be brought down here because it's going to swipe up and bring you to image upload. So now upload image. So now let's search for blue. Blue was also saved. Yes, blue is 422443034. 422434. So we're gonna change the amount for blue to 4224 4. So that has also been uploaded. Now the last one, you come to click on upload. It's going to open upload image, and the last one is the gold. So now let's search for the gold, and it was uploaded. I just play. I can really see how it was. How I save it. Yes, I just pray. I can see eyes. I'm very sorry for the delay. I'm just trying to get something straight for us so that we don't make mistake. Good. I've just seen the black gold. So now the amount is 563246. 563246. Now go here and change the amount. 5632.4, sorry, 0.46. Yes, 0.46. So that is the amount. So that has also been added. So now the next thing now is we shall be going to the next stage. Now, before we proceed, let's scroll up and go to where we selected this product variant. So if you have addition of variants that are not still on the same product, but not on colors, maybe size, maybe they are different size or different anything, you can just still come back here and click on add option. So when you click on add option, let's give an example to that. It's going to generate this. So you select what kind of option are you looking. What is the option name? So this time around, let's just say is size. Size. You type in size in the box, then come down here and impute the variance. That is the value of that size. So include the value. So let's put for this instance, we can say our sizes are of PHN dash 1. Then you click outside the box, that will be added. So let's go down. You see that has been added. So you can see that here now, PH-1. So if the amount is also different, you add the amount. Then how many install, then put upload the image. So at this junction, we are not going to making use of it because we don't need it. All we just need to do is to toggle it off, and it's not going to display at all. So now let's proceed down and see where they said specifications. So at this time around, we need to bring in our specification, the weight, and the height, other information about these products that make this specification. So if you have them in a plain text, with the help of our AI can as well help you adjust it to two-line display. So at this time, at this junction, I intend to just send it in a kind of plain text that I have. Just watch what happens when I bring in this in plain text. So now I will be going to paste it in plain text. I'm not going to make use of these two boxes. Rather, I'm going to be making use of paste specification. So click on paste specification. Then you can see here now, the box is here. So I'm going to paste this specification. You can see what I am pasting. So now I will click on add this specification. And you're going to see how it's going to display it. So let's go there. Now they ask if any other one, none, no. So let's just add this, and you see the AI will do its job. Now look at it here. The AI just did the job. It just said name of this I just added is high concentrated chemical. The value is none. Is not high concentrated chemical product. So when this is done completely, so when you are done doing all this, so all you got to do next is just submit your products for review. If you look at the right hand side, this is how it's going to display your dashboard on the main app user interface. After the admin must have approved this product, this is how they are going to display. You can see they all have different variants, prices, and colors. So now let's send them to the admin for approval, and we shall also come back and see how it's been displayed live on the product. Thank you very much while you wait. Yes, thank you very much for your patience. Now, if you look at it now on our dashboard, we have our product that we just added is here. We can preview our product ourselves, but we can't do anything again here. You can't edit, you can't do anything. So now let's rush and preview the products in our dashboard and how it's going to appear on the main page. Wow, look at it, very fine. Wow, this is how it's going to display. Look at it. Mini portable L8 star BM10 tiny microphone. Yes, micro mobile phone, dual SIM card with MP3 player, FM unlocked, cell phone voice, change dial. So now look at it, the amount is there. So now let's try and see if what we did the other time is going to work. So let's change, let's scroll down a little and change the price. Let's change, let's select and see. Now we are currently on black. Let's click on black. The price remain the same. It's displayed the black here. So now, and let's go to red. You can see it displays red and the amount changed. So now let's go to blue. You can see the amount also change in blue. And let's go to the gold. You can see the amount change. So if the user selects any of these, so that is the amount that is going to check out to it. So you can see that is how it's going to be displaying on the main app for buyers. This is going to be going live. So thank you very much for this opportunity given to us to scroll you through, or let me say, take you through these products uploading. Thank you. Without wasting much of our time, you can still go down below and see more of our videos for other things you want to learn about this, about DropCart Africa. You can learn so many things there. Thank you very much.